Good morning, Your Honor.
Hey.
I have no advisor for a walkthrough.
What's your cost number?
25, just had it up. 253-5551.
One?
Yes, 253-5551.
Okay.
Judge, the PSR is right next to me.
Okay. Ms. Biza, come up. Oh. Wait. You want me to give her another PR bond?
Yes, Your Honor. Good reasoning for our PR bond. All right, Ms. Biza is, as you know, currently on bond for previous out of this court.
She hasn't opened DWI. She picked up a new case.
And as you can see from the court record, she does appear and come for court every time she is required to do so. She's been working as an associate banker at Chase for the past 3 years, and is actually working on trying to get a promotion to assistant manager, hopefully soon. She's also a student at ACC, and it's her first semester working on her degree for computer science, expected to graduate in 2028. And she's also a volunteer at her church. Do you want to pronounce that? I can't pronounce it if you can.
Iglesia Bautista el Cordero de Dios.
And that's in Houston. She regularly volunteers there. And as part of the previous case as well, she is already in group therapy for addressing the concerns with the DWI and et cetera. She's also going through her own personal therapy as well outside of group therapy individually. Currently, her monthly expenses are $1,500. Monthly income is about $1,500, with expenses being about $600 as she does live at home. But yes, we are requesting if a PR bond could be made. We do have a bondsman present with us today, though.
One bond for DWI. And I asked you two things, ma'am. I asked you don't use, and I asked you to stay out of trouble. And now you've picked up a new case. You were charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used.
Judge Fleischer doesn't play when it comes to driving laws, and this moment proves it. I don't care if there's a burning building. That's not just a warning. That's judicial zero tolerance. The tone here is part protection, part tough love, because for repeat offenders, one more drive could mean one more victim. The law's message is loud and clear. Consequences over convenience. Would you handle it this strict or offer one last chance?
Against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
An officer was working an extra job at a bar, and he was notified of a female suspect who had been previously trespassed but was currently on the property. The suspect was found to be in the venue near the bar. The officer approached her and told her that he needed to speak to her outside. The defendant was belligerently drunk and told me to wait until she got her drink from the bartender who had previously refused service. The defendant was escorted outside and detained.
So she'd been previously warned about trespassing there. Okay, Ms. Bice, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Mr. Fleming.
Yes, Your Honor.
I appreciate your tenacity, but not only did we ask her not to pick up a new case, but we ordered her not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. She's allegedly at a bar. She's allegedly intoxicated again. And in so much that the officer is asking her to step outside and she goes, hold on, let me get my drink first. Really?
And here comes the twist, turns out. The man wasn't driving at all. He was parked across the street, waiting for his co-worker. That's a complete legal reversal. Within seconds, Judge Fleischer flips from probable cause to no probable cause. What's wild here is how gracefully she does it, no ego. No hesitation, just fairness. This is why courtroom decisions can feel like plot twists in real time. Would you have caught that detail before the judge did?
am now ordering you to go into custody, ma'am. I'm revoking your bond on the DWI and I'm taking you into custody. And I will now give you a whole host of conditions, Biza. And if I find that you continue to violate conditions, it's just going to get worse and worse and worse. And I hope that now we can get your attention, because I guess apparently before we have not been able to. So she goes with you. DWI, I'm going to set it at 5,001. The trespass, I'll set it at 2,501. I can't give her a PR bond, Mr. Fleming, because that would just be enabling the behavior. And I want her to realize that it's not okay what she's doing. You know, it's just, I'm not asking for much, you know?
Yes, Your Honor.
So
What was the amount for the trespass? We should be set for
And-
tomorrow or?
yeah, she'll roll up on tomorrow's docket, and then, you know, if she isn't able to bond out after a couple days, we can talk. But I want to understand that we mean business, and me just catch and release, that's not the way to do things, because I think that it would just be enabling the behavior.
Your Honor.
It's not. Yeah, okay,
Yes, appreciate it. May I be excused?
yes, sir.
Thank you.
Counsel,
We're on Miss Nambo. She's the one that went for testing this morning. I think Miss Sama's gonna come up over here.
okay, are you just now signing on?
I signed on Sunday, I believe.
Okay.
But we do not have the blood, so I think she's gonna ask for a HIPAA order to get the medical records and blood.
Yeah.
So we just need a reset for that.
What do you need?
Judge, she does have a physician statement to take medical cannabis.
Sorry, man, I'm not letting anyone do it. I mean, you know, it just, come up, ma'am. You have prior weed cases, you have prior DWIs. I don't want you using. There has to be other ways to self-medicate, you know, other than just smoke weed.
I don't want to, I take, the medicine I take is really strong. Like they change, because I can't sleep. So I can't sleep. And I went like 3 days without sleeping. So they gave me like this other medicine, and it's like super strong. And I don't like how it makes me feel, because I work where I work around a lot of machinery. So at the next day when I take that, I'm still like all looping.
And you take it earlier, you know, if you're taking a sleep aid to help you sleep.
Hours a day.
Sorry?
I work 12 hours a day. I work from 7 in the morning to 8 o'clock at night. So since I'm drug testing Monday and Thursdays, they switched my schedule around. So they put me on night shift, and night shift is the same thing. I work from 7 p.m. to 7 in the morning.
How's her test been so far? So what I'll do is I'll switch your testing where you can come here once a week. And then how can we do it so you work a day shift and not the night shift? Because we're, you know, messing with your circadian rhythm by working the night shift is even worse. I mean, that's going to just throw things out of whack.
Yeah.
So I would prefer you to work the day shift as opposed to the night shift. And I'm willing to work with you as far as testing is concerned, but I don't want you using. I want you to be
that's why
clean.
I didn't, even with that, I told them I didn't want to do anything until I got an okay from you. And
I'm not okay with you smoking weed. There has to be other ways to medicate, to deal with anxiety and those other issues.
it's PTSD. I take a lot of stuff already. I take and it causes like right now, like constipation. I had to go to the ER yesterday because it's like it's too many things. Like in the morning I take I have ADHD, and I have bipolar disorder, and I have anxiety. So I have stomach issues too. So I have to take pills for that. I have to take pills for the ADHD. I have to take pills. It's like a lot of pills. And it's like, I didn't bring them with me today, but I take about 7 medications. And it's a lot. So it's a lot on my body. So that's why I haven't even filled a drug test, because I don't smoke like that. It's just like when I have a hard time, like being able to sleep, I do that when I'm at home to
You're
sleep.
doing good so far. I'm happy to work with you with your schedule for you to be able to work the day shift if you need to.
I'm a supervisor, so it's like
How
It
can
would
we
be
help
good.
you to where you can start working the day shift?
I don't know. I have to
I will
talk to
take
my
you off
boss.
at least one.
Right from the start, this case looks open and shut, right? Suspended license, prior DWI, even a knife mention. But here's where courtroom reality kicks in. Admission alone isn't proof. The judge is already questioning the foundation. Did anyone see him driving? That single question can unravel the entire charge. Watch how quickly this case shifts. Once facts, not feelings, take center stage. Would you call that fair? Or a loophole?
One day off of the drug testing a week.
Okay, I can ask my boss if that works with him.
Ask if that works. We can tweak it in any way to try to help you out. Okay. You're here now. Are you able to contact your boss now so we can try to work? But step outside, Joe. You guys talk with your employer, find out how, you've been doing so far. Has the case been open since June, really? And she's been testing negatively since June?
Yes, and we also have her on transits, but I don't think she's submitted to, they haven't called her apartment.
So let's do this. Do you have a device? Joe, does she have a device now?
I don't know.
Portable.
Yeah, affordable, yeah.
Okay, I'll take you off the randoms. I'll take you off the Monday, Thursday testing
Okay.
entirely. You've been doing good since June, right? We're now November. You've been doing great for 3 months, 4 months. I'll take you off the Monday, Thursday testing. That help? Okay, so you don't have to come back. We'll set your case off a month. Just take care of yourself.
Okay, but don't use this, right?
No.
No, okay.
For now, no, I don't want you smoking. I don't want you using anything and start relying on dope even more. There has to be other ways to deal with the PTSD.
I do counseling. I see a psychiatrist, but I
Great.
take the gummies, but I'm scared to take even CBD.
I don't want you to.
Because,
I don't want you to use.
okay, yeah, because I don't drive
That's
or
too much.
anything.
So you're using way too much.
I'm going to take you off the Monday, Thursday.
Okay.
Okay. So that way you can try to get on your daily schedule so you don't have to work at night. Hopefully that helps also, because when you're working a night shift, you're trying to sleep through the day, that's really going to even more so throw your body out of whack as it is. Is that what you're doing now?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, that's messing you up more than you can possibly know. I know that people take certain types of medication to deal with the fact that they work the night shift,
Yeah, so,
and just it really throws your body out of whack.
yeah,
Let's do this. Let's set you off a couple weeks. I'll take you off totally now. You're still going to be randomly tested, but you don't have to come 2 times a week here. We'll just give you a normal setting now. Get on the day shift and let's see how that works out.
okay.
Okay? If you're still having issues, let's come back. But I'm telling you now, I'm going to be really hard pressed to just let you smoke weed. There has to be other ways to deal with PTSD than just smoking.
That's okay. Okay,
But
thank you, Judge.
let's see how that works. And then I'm always approachable. You can always come back when we talk more. Okay? Okay.
Thank you.
All right, Joe.
Yeah.
Hi, Ms. B.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Plea on Mrs. Jamarian Sias.
Good morning, Ms. Sias.
Good morning.
Ma'am, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 7 days that you've already done. I guess, or the other theft is
Will be
going,
dismissed upon completion of this plea.
okay. So you have 2 counts of theft. The agreement is they're going to dismiss one, you're pleading the other one. You have to understand that because you're pleading this, it will go on your record from now on. You're facing a minimum of 30 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Is this what you want to do? Okay.
You want to plea?
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Okay.
No deferred, nothing like that.
This is third step, Judge.
Okay. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, you cannot change this. It will be like this forever. Do you understand, ma'am? How do you plead to the offense of theft? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I will find you guilty. I will sentence you to the agreement of 3 days in jail, credit for 7. You need to understand, this is now 2. You pick up another one, you're looking at a felony charge, years instead of days. Even as so much as you pick something even small, you're looking at a lot of time in prison. You understand? Okay, man, good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.